I don't get tickled easily, but I'm here to tickle your taste bud by this phenomenal Indian chicken kebab. I call it Pickle Tickle Chicken Drumsticks. So join me in pickling and tickling. For pickle tickle, first we'll prepare the masala. I'm going to add 2 dry red chillies, cumin seeds, nigella seeds, mustard seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, black peppercorn, and fenugreek seeds. We are going to roast them slightly. An interesting fact about pickling spices is that it is used as a preservative in northern part of India. My pickle spices are nicely roasted. I'm going to grind them into a nice fine powder. My pickling spices are ready. As you can see, we'll start with the marination. Now I'm going to add gashes in the chicken so the marination goes deep within. My gash of chicken is done. Now I'll start with the marination. First, I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste. I'm going to mix this nicely. After mixing the masala with the chicken, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons roasted basil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon pickle spice, some salt. To add a little zinc to the marination, I'm adding pickle puree. And last, mustard oil. Now let's mix all together. Nicely let the marination go deep in the gashes. Pickle spices when mixed with chicken give lots of flavor when properly rested in the marination. Now I'm going to let it rest for at least half an hour. My chicken is properly rested in the marination. Now we'll start grilling. First I'm going to heat the pan, add oil. The pan has heated up. Now I'll start putting all the drumsticks and cook till perfection. I'm going to keep flipping the chicken on regular interval to make sure the chicken is cooked on all sides. Don't let the marination go waste. If any extra marination is left, keep applying it on the chicken so that the chicken doesn't dry up. My chicken is almost ready. Now I'm going to add some basting to it so that my chicken remains moist and tender. The chicken is properly cooked. Now I'm going to sprinkle some coriander and let it cook for a minute, and then we'll start off with the plating. The chicken is ready. Let's start plating. For the garnish, I'll add chopped coriander. There you go guys, our Pickle Tickle Chicken Drumstick is now ready. I hope you got pickle and tickled by this dish. Do make for your family and friends and let me know how it turned out. Till then, take good care and goodbye.